Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. And as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to list quickly on Poshmark, how my first week of listing is going. And one of the important things I wanted to show you guys is when you are listing on Poshmark, I mentioned it before, but you have to change your photos to square mode. So either one of two ways. You either have to start taking your photos in square mode on your camera. If you don't know how to do that, when you open your camera, you'll just kind of swipe over and you're gonna have an option that says square down there where it normally says photo or video or whatever. You will have an option, you know, panorama, all that. One of them is square. So if you take the photos in square mode, you'll be good. If you don't, you're gonna have to download an app that will alter and edit the photos from normal photo mode into square mode. I would assume that most of you will start taking the photos if you're on Poshmark in square mode. But let's say that you're taking some items off of eBay, you're ending them because they haven't sold and you want to put them over on Poshmark, or maybe you're being risky and you want to do some cross-posting, then you will need to edit those photos, because my understanding is if you take them off of eBay and you save them or you screenshot them, you're going to be in regular mode. So you're going to need to convert them over to square mode. So what you're going to do first is download SquareFit. SquareFit is an app. Now it's going to be this one over here. You guys are going to have a hard time seeing it. It's that one right there. Just look it up. It's called SquareFit. Open the app up, and it's as easy as just basically selecting a photo out of your camera roll and then hitting save, and it changes it right over into square converted picture. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my phone on my computer screen and record it and show you guys just how easy it is. It'll just take a minute to do, and you can go through all your photos for your eBay listings or for your previously listed items, convert them over to Square, and then you're ready to go on Poshmark and start listing. Okay, so here we are on the SquareFoot app that's on my phone. And so once you open it up, this is the main screen. You're just gonna select this bottom left-hand corner that says new, and you're gonna open that up, and it's gonna bring you up to three options. You're gonna wanna select the middle one to choose from your existing photos or your camera to take new ones. We're gonna choose from existing, and I'm gonna go ahead and just choose this very first plaid shirt right here. And so this one I want to square up. And so this is a normal photo. And so once you have it on the screen, it's as easy as just pressing the save button in the top right-hand corner. You'll just press save. It's going to save it to your camera roll. And then you can close the app. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple more photos from a few more items and save them. They're now in square mode. They will basically duplicate your photo. So you'll have the original still in your regular mode, and you will also have a square version. You'll know the square version because obviously it'll be later in your camera roll, more recent. So let's go ahead and cut off of this and go over to my Poshmark app, and I'm going to show you how to take these photos and post them on Poshmark in a quick, efficient manner so you can get your listings up very, very fast. So here we are on my Poshmark closet. You guys can see just getting started. Just did last week, about 5 days ago. So I've got 12 listings up, 9 shares, 1,686 followers, and I'm following 287 of you guys. I'm gonna try to follow a bunch more tonight, share a bunch of stuff tonight. There's some of the items you guys can see. Pretty much using my old inventory photos to try to sell them on Poshmark. Trying to keep some good brands up there. BKE, Cuba Vera, Victoria's Secret, Jennifer Lopez, Nat Nast is a good brand for men. White House Black Market, 7 for All Mankind, Burberry, Juicy Couture. That Ann Taylor brand new dress is really cute. So just trying to get some decent stuff up there. Trying to get, by the end of the month, 250 listings. I want by the end of this week, by the weekend, to be at about 1 to 150. So we're going to really work at getting up like 20 a day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which would give us 80 more, would put us at 92, and then maybe 20 on the weekend would put us at like 110, 112, something like that. So unless, of course, we sell a bunch of stuff, which would be awesome. So I'm going to show you guys with the new photos that we got. You're just going to hit this bottom sell button. And then the left-hand folder option. Going to go to camera roll and going to select, we'll select this bottom one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit next. And there's the 4 photos that we did. This is a Chaps Ralph Lauren shirt. You just press next because it's all good to go. And that's my cover shot. Not going to add a filter for now. And so there you go. And then we're going to go through the whole process of listing this. And so it's a Chaps Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren men's button down casual shirt. Okay. And you could, if you had room, you could put plaid in there. I don't know if I have enough room. Nope. Too long for plaid. Okay. So I could just do button-down shirt plaid. I could do like plaid button-down, men's plaid button-down shirt. Whatever you want to do for the title. Describe it. So that would be, you know, I kind of just redo Ralph Lauren men's button-down shirt. Why does it autocorrect everything? Men's button-down plaid. More room here to write stuff like casual shirt. Casual shirt. It's a men's adult large. Excellent pre-owned condition. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. I always write that in my stuff. Okay, so we'll just write done. Okay, category. This is going to be men's shirts. It is casual button-down shirts. Quantity is 1, of course. The size large. Brand is Chaps. Ralph Lauren. If it doesn't come up, you could just search for Ralph Lauren. We'll just put Ralph Lauren. That's fine. Color. It's kind of like a yellow and a green, I guess, or yellow and brown. I don't even know. We're just going to get rid of those. We'll actually just uncheck those. New with tags, no. The original price, I tried to look it up. It looked like it was about $59. Our listing price is going to be right around $18. Good with that. I paid like $1 for this shirt, so I'm okay with that. I guess we can add yellow. I'll just kind of add yellow. I don't know. What color do you guys think I should add to that? It's more of like a greenish color, I guess. Anyways, you can kind of, kind of go with this. And then you're done, and you'll press next. And then we could share it, list it, whatever, and that's the end of it. So that's how quickly you can list. If I wasn't showing you guys, I could have listed that from the time I opened Poshmark to the time I finish in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Editing the photos is just about as much time and effort. So combined 5 minutes maximum. Really, you should be able to do it in about 3 to 4 minutes. Knocking out 15 or 20 in an hour is not unheard of and not impossible. And so that can show you how you could take a store in 1 month from 0 to 4, 5, 600 listings and start building a real income on Poshmark. I really like the ease of the app. I really like how fast it is to list. I really like that they do flat rate shipping, and I really like that they don't do returns unless there's a disastrous thing with your item. All great things for Poshmark. And so this is me as a beginner learning how to list and showing you guys just how easy it is once you get the hang of it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you continue watching me on this learning journey of Poshmark. It's great. My journey to get this Poshmark store filled so we can make some sales, make my first sale. And as soon as I do, I will do a video for you guys showing you the sale, showing you the shipping, showing you all of that good stuff. Until then, happy selling, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Check out my description box below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and check out my new website, rockstarflipperonline.com. And I'll see everyone next time.